Hey, how you doing, Mike? Garage Door Mike. Gonna show you what not to do here with garage doors. I see this all the time, and people load these tracks up with grease. You could see all the grease in there. Okay, not good. This is what I've pulled out already out of that track. Okay, and there's still a lot more to go. This over here, that's from this vertical track, and you could see kind of the scrape marks and stuff. I'm working on it a little bit at a time, and you could see this one here is loaded up with grease too, and you really don't want to do that. Let me just show you. Maybe I could do this here. No, not that one so much. Maybe I didn't do this one. I have other videos with, there we go. That's just shot. When you put the grease in the track, what it does, I'm going to use my hand here as an example. Well, I can't even do that because I got the video camera, dumb. Hold on, let me get a roller. Here. When you put the grease in the track, what happens is the roller, it slides, okay? It doesn't move like that. The rollers need to be rolling, not sliding. And when they slide, the bearings bind up, and then the bearings go bye-bye. Then the rollers go bad, and then your door rolls like crap. And if all it takes on a 7-foot door is one roller to go bad, and the whole door will not work at all. I've seen it. So if you're putting this grease in your tracks, stop doing that. Recommend this. I've got videos on this. You can look them up. And get an oil can. Okay? You can see the oil comes out. You pump that in the middle of the roller as it's going. As it's moving. And that's the best thing for your rollers, not this grease. So step one is you get a scraper or a screwdriver or something, and you could, I'll show you here. You just scrape this gook out. Get it out. And just wipe it on a rag. Okay. You get that gook out of there. Then the next step is you get some rags. And I recommend rags, not paper towels. Paper towels will work, but you're going to go through a lot of them. Let's get a rag with some kind of a grit on it and get some of this. Spray it in the track, and this will penetrate and start to break down that grease, and then you can get that out with the rags. So what you're going to do is you get the door down. Okay, close the door. I'm going to do a spring job on this first because we got a broken spring. But we're doing some grease removal here for a few minutes. I'm not going to spend too much time because the proper way to do this takes like an extra 30 minutes. So you're going to close the door, and then you start from about right here in the horizontal because the top section will be up over here. Start about here, soak it with grease, and put something at the bottom on the floor where the track ends, because once you start palming the rag in the track, bringing that grease out, it's all going to come out the back. And if you've got something down there and that black, yucky, greasy, nasty stuff gets on there, it's over. It's going to be stained for a very long time. And then once you get that done, you could change the rollers in the door at the down position. You could change the top 3, 2, 1, and then wait for the door to go up. You can get your track off. Now if you have track that's got bolts on them, you could take the full track off if you want, clean it thoroughly that way, and then put it back on. Or if you don't want to do that, just clean it the best you can. And believe me, it'll make your door roll night and day difference. So do not put grease in the track. That's my video for today. Don't do that because that's nasty. It just makes your door roll terrible, and it's nasty and disgusting, and you can see all that stuff gets stuck in the track here at the bottom. It's a really nasty deal all around. You can see all that gook, That's all bad. You don't want that. That's all yuck. So that's my video for today. Do not grease the tracks. Innovative garage door. 630-271-9343. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. Smash the like button. I might do a part 2 video when I'm done cleaning these out to show you, but for now, thanks for watching our Do Not Grease the Track video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.